Okay, changing the gearbox on the Gelstorm, this is how you do it. So you need to get this nose cone off, and the best way to do it is just get two like small flat blade screwdrivers, and you stick one on either side like this, like that. That's that. All right, and then you just back out all your screws. I've already done that. Back out your screws. Remember to get this thing off. Alright, so there's the gearbox. So it's very important when you put this back together that it looks exactly like this. So you just kind of like tie a knot around this post here, just put it into there. That's just so that you can't pull the wires out of the switch. Now the switch block here, I'm going to pull it off. You can see with the switch block, it has these two little posts here, and those two little posts, there's two little holes in the switch block here, and they have to fit over, those two little posts like that. So when you change your gearbox, just refer to this photo. You can see that the wiring's right underneath the gearbox, got a knot there. The switch blocks over the two posts. The trigger can only go one way, and you can see that it has the spring there. The spring fits into there, just fits in like that. And the way it works is you can see that little post there pushes against the switch block, and that's what turns it on and off. Okay, thank you.